today we're gonna go ahead and install the LED grill on the Widebody front end. We already went ahead and took off the bumper, which you could refer back to any of our charger removal bumpers that will be on the links below. We already started removing the top, which is just pulling off the tabs and then start pulling the grill out. Alright, so these tabs, you want to pull them down while you're trying to take off the grill. And these have to go up. So these go down and these go up. Grill is off. So now let's get the LED going. So on your left side would be your LED grill versus your OEM grill. As you can see, the mesh is the same thing, the same design as your OEM. The LED grill will be matching your bottom grills. Is the same mesh line. So now we're gonna go ahead and snap this one in. Now we're done clipping it all in. It does take a little bit force, so don't be scared of smacking it a little bit. So now we're just gonna put the bumper support back on. So all you gotta do is get your OEM tabs, put it on. Don't worry about the LED lights yet, because it is easier if you just do it once the bumper is about to be put onto the car. So you could 3M the LED box in here. You want to make sure you're not in a part where your holes are going to go into the tabs on the bumper, on the car. So you could probably just tape your LED box right here with some 3M tape. We're not going to be showing this part because the bumper's already going to be basically on the car. So I'm just letting you know right now. It'll be probably around here. If not, you could even put it like in these indentions. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the tape. So once you remove that, you should be able to pull this off. So you could access the headlight through the bottom, or you want to remove the whole thing, you can. You could just put your hand in here and then unclip it, bring it to here, and I'll bring it out to the top. The other side is way more simple. Once you put these bolts on, you can go ahead and put the bottoms here. And then when you're putting in this clip here from the bracket to the flare, you need to pull off the bracket. It literally just snaps off. Now we're gonna put the other two that go in here. I'm gonna put the two that go in here. So you want to clean the surface of the LED box. Adding some 3M tape so I could stick it underneath. That's ready. And then you want to open this up. You want to cut these off. You want to splice them open. Those, and then you want to grab the power. I'm going to cut this off. Just putting the strap down so I can have more area to play with. You want to strip this. Same thing you do here, you want to do on the other side. So you want to grab any wire that you have that you could use electric wise. You want to make an extension, so we're gonna splice this open on both ends. Spread this, and then you want to grab your green and yellow. You want to grab your green and yellow. You want to put them together. Then you want to start twisting them. Until they're tight. That's how it looks. So we're gonna add in a heat shrink tubing. So we're gonna use the white and tan for turning signal, and the red and white is gonna be for the power. So we're gonna go ahead and splice into these. So your passenger side, you want to use this black and white and green and white. So now we're gonna proceed and putting the LED lights onto the grill and placing this in place underneath the front bumper. Alright, so we got our wires through the top of the bumper panel, and I did stick on the LED box right here. Remember I told you guys I wasn't gonna be able to show you that? Refer back to the beginning of the video. Then you just want to make sure all your clips line. So everything's in. So all we need to do now is put the wires in the correct place. Alright, power is being difficult. So we're gonna put the side marker on. Turning signal. You can solder this if you like. But this customer is doing this for somebody special and they don't know they're doing this to their car, so you might not want to solder that in case they want to take it off. All right. Now your ground could go to any piece of the metal of the car. We're gonna use this bolt right here. We're gonna pin it in there. So you just put it in there like that. And once you get it, tighten it up. We're gonna do a test. Alright, once everything is sealed on, you could just plug it back into the headlight. And then you could grab all of this together. So this side is done. Alright, so driver's side is a little bit different. So it's white and black to power, green and white to turning signal. Alright, so you wire those. Remember, this is an extension. This is your green and yellow wire, which will be for your turning signals. Same thing as we did over there. We're gonna put some electrical tape and we're good to go. Alright guys, so we successfully installed the LED grill on the 2020 Dodge Charger Widebody OEM. Also check out our Aero package installing this car. It will be on their YouTube channel as well.